Hey everyone, Ali here. So, as this whole mess with the submarine that was trying to go to the Titanic was happening, I was thinking a lot about kind of what happens with your practices, especially if you have summer events. And so some of you do pretty extravagant summer events, and you might go sailing, or you might take your teams to different parts of the country. You might go to Florida, Mexico, Hawaii. So there's always sort of exciting things that a lot of our doctors do for their team members. And so, if you remember with the story with the submarine, what happened was that the participants, who unfortunately, of course, passed away, signed a waiver. And so there's a lot of talk now of, are those waivers valid, and did the employer, or not the employer, but I guess the submarine owners, do all the things that needed to do to keep them safe, and does that void the release somehow, and the waivers. And so you have to kind of think through this as a practice owner to decide, okay, what are the things that I'm doing, and how do those events impact my team? Could they get injured, right? Could they hurt themselves in any other sort of way? Is it something that maybe they don't want to do? There's a lot of people who don't know how to swim, for example. So if you do something at a pool, or you go sailing, or something of that nature, that may end up causing a lot of nervousness, and might cause mental anguish, if you will. And there might be sort of issues, God forbid, if something happens and there's an accident or whatnot. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, as you're sort of thinking through your summer activities, if you're not doing your typical maybe barbecues and things of that nature, maybe you have your attorney put together a simple waiver release of liability, so that you can do it with the peace of mind of knowing that the liability on the practice is at least reduced a little bit during those activities. That being said, I hope you all have a wonderful and safe summer break. The holidays are right around the corner, and we've got the most fun one, of course, being 4th of July, with everyone being out in the open with the lakes and the waters and all that. So be safe, have fun, and we'll see you on the other side.